Now we're going to remove this kick panel here, which goes all the way up behind the seat. So first thing we're going to do is remove the rubber seal, door seal. We don't have to fully remove it, just take it above the line here where you can see the join. I'm going to push with our fingers to separate those two pieces of plastic. It's only held in by plastic clips. Once that's separated, this whole thing, and we may use a screwdriver once again just to release some of these clips. You can see them in there. So that one's released. Work our way through them. That one's released. There's one up here as well. That one's released. Once we've got them off, we're starting to expose the seatbelt area. And now we can see it's starting to be able to come out. If you don't want to take it all the way out, you don't actually have to. We just need to get our cables in under here, so we could leave it like that if that's easier to work with, and may make it easier to get it back in as well.